everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we're going to make a comic. So today I'm going to show you how to make a story arc where we're going to decide how our story starts, the conflict that happens or the problem, the solution, and then the end. So we're going to follow that classic story arc, kind of looks like a mountain like this, and then we're going to be turning that into a comic strip with 5 panels, so 5 squares or rectangles, and then a 6th for the title. So today I want you to be thinking of a story that you want to tell that has a beginning, a problem, a solution, and then the end. And we're going to make sure that we use a lot of those tools that we've been talking about on how to change the eyebrows and the mouth to show our characters having a lot of emotion. So that way, even without words, we can still follow along with the story. Today, all you're going to need is a piece of drawing paper, a pencil, your markers and crayons, and your creativity and a story. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.